Welcome to Mr. He's Chinese class. 欢迎大家来到中国文化学院. So, as a member in the membership area, as we'll continue share with you the 2-year course. It's a big one, but it's not that big. Okay, every week, if you follow this course, every week, one lesson and one practice lesson. There's 2 videos in average. My lecture is around 45 minutes to 1 hour in average. And the exercise teaching you how to practice pronunciation and writing from Elizabeth is roughly 15 minutes. So in general, you spend 1 hour a week. Of course, if you want to really make good effort, make a big progress, you want to spend a little bit more time, maybe 1 or 2 hours more. Every week, 1 hour plus. 2 years. It's 100 weeks. Go through the whole course. Do all the practice, pronunciation, memorize the sentence, the ballads, learn to write the character. Writing the character is a very good way to help you understand the character itself and combine the tone production, pronunciation, writing, and thinking, understanding, or feeling even the meaning of the character will help you to nail down this very popular 2,000 to 2,500 most popular Chinese characters. When you take all of this process, finish all this, understand and grasp and master this 2,000 to 2,500 characters, you will be able to read everything in Chinese. It's not that easy, but it's not that hard. Yeah, you treat every single character as one step of this journey. You master one, you have one less. 1, 2, 3 until 2,000. Then you are there. Okay? The most important thing is be persistent and do the practice whenever you have chance. When you go to Chinese restaurant or you visit Chinatown or wherever the chance, you see the character, remember, connect it to whatever I teach you. The meaning of the character, feeling of the picture, and also feeling in the tone, because there's a meaning in the character too. Combined together, so the 3 things together: pronunciation, the character picture, pictographic, and also the meaning. 3 things together, and you will move on. So this is the whole 2-year course is for membership. At the same time, I'm going to post some new contents regarding Chinese character and culture or history. Okay, each week, maybe 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to just take my iPhone most of the time, maybe. So say something and describe to you. Or I do this kind of formal lecture with more demonstration, a presentation in kind of way. It's very flexible, based on your requirement. If you have some more specific question, you're more than welcome to post it in the comments under this channel. I'm gonna check it on a daily basis, and based on that, I can come up with the contents be more purposely for you guys. Okay, so feel free to raise your question. And if now we have a few members, when we have more members, so for different questions, so then we have pool. I'm gonna post in question in the community here. Then you have pool. Then so we go over the question or request one by one, or based on the priority or interest from the most of the members. Of course, some of the contents are members only. I'm going to post on here, and at the same time I'll post also some free contents on the channel too. So enjoy. Feel free to raise your question and request, especially for the original beginning members. Okay, you got the priority, and you got the privilege to ask what you want here. Okay, see you soon. I'm gonna post the first contents next week, every Wednesday. Every Wednesday. See you there. Thank you. Thank you for joining course as a member. See you soon.